Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving into a head-to-head comparison between two competitive brokers. We have Nvidia Trade and we have Interactive Brokers. If you're looking for a broker that is easy to use, budget friendly and packed with support, stay tuned because we're going to explore why Nvidia Trade might be the better option for you. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Let's get started. So over to Nvidia Trade, we will be starting off by talking about the user-friendly platform. You can see that Nvidia is designed with simplicity in mind, offering an intuitive user interface suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. If you were to jump over to Interactive Brokers, they are known for a complex platform that can be overwhelming for new traders, requiring extensive training and experience to navigate this effectively. Moving on to the fees and spreads, you can see that Nvidia Trade has competitive fee structures with transparent pricing. This is often offering lower commissions and spreads, especially for retail traders. You can see that they have 1 to 500 leverage, and the typical spreads are around 0.4 pips. Now, this is fantastic in terms of your own trading, as you can get in at the best price possible. With Interactive Brokers, although they have low cost for high volume traders, their fee structure can be complicated and less favorable for casual or smaller investors. You can see here that they do have tight spreads, but the commissions are higher. Now, Nvidia does provide dedicated personalized customer service with shorter response times that are accessible by chat, phone and email support. You can see by clicking this, it's very quick to get into a conversation with their online chat. With Interactive Brokers, support can be less accessible, with reports of longer waiting times and less personalized assistance. Even now, it takes you a while to jump through the hoops just to find someone to talk to get assistance with whatever it is that you need. Now, when it comes to account minimums and accessibility, there is no minimum deposit requirement, making Nvidia Trade more accessible for the new traders. Whereas with Interactive Brokers, historically they had a higher minimum deposit requirement, though I believe with recent changes they have lowered some of their thresholds. Now, Nvidia Trade does offer flexible account options tailored for retail traders with straightforward onboarding, whereas you'll find Interactive Brokers are more suited for institutional or professional traders with complex account structures. As an individual trader, I have found that Nvidia Trade are more suitable for my needs and what I'm trying to do, as it is a very simple, easy user face to use, and you can just jump on, set up your MT5, MT4 or whatever it is, whereas Interactive Brokers don't even have the MT cloud. Remember, choosing the right broker is key to your trading success. So take everything that I've shown you today on board, and the links to get going in Nvidia Trade is in the description below. Go ahead, hit the like, hit the subscribe and hit the bell so you can get alerted on my next video.